Pressure area care is one of the most expensive and time-consuming areas of healthcare. It is estimated that somewhere between 1.4 and 2.1 billion pounds is spent each year on preventing and treating pressure ulcers. That's about 4% of the total NHS budget. Each pressure ulcer can add up to £14,000 in additional costs to care. As nurses and carers, you may not realise the impact this makes to your authority's overall budget. But one of the biggest expenses to NHS budgets is the purchase of unnecessary equipment for pressure care. Conventional dynamic pressure care is usually the first port of call for high-risk patients. But this is expensive and not always cost-effective. Another issue is the high cost of maintenance. If a mattress is damaged or faulty, repair and maintenance can add unnecessary cost to your authority and disruption to your patient. All this could have a negative effect on your patient's recovery, but also your future budget. The Repose Mattress Overlay from Frontier Medical is an effective answer to preventing pressure ulcers. It can be used on all patients that are at risk of developing pressure ulcers, including those at very high risk. Not only does it help prevent pressure ulcers from developing in the first place, but can also be used to treat existing ulcers. No other pressure care support surface has been shown to be more effective and less expensive. It is an overlay mattress, which means it is fitted on top of the patient's existing mattress, so there is no need to install a complete new bed system or require access to an electrical supply. This means there is no disruption to the current household arrangement, and the patient can stay in their own bed. To suit the patient's domestic arrangements, the Repose Mattress Overlay is also available as a double. It's easy to use and implement. First, remove the mattress from the tube. Refit the two tubes together to form a pump. Connect the valve on the pump to the valve on the mattress. Inflate the mattress until you hear air exhausting from the pump valve. Stop pumping and wait until you can no longer hear air escaping. Cover the valve on the mattress product using the solid end of the valve cap. On the Repose mattress, make sure the valve is on the underside away from the patient. As the Repose mattress is designed to sit on top of an existing bed mattress, it can be secured in place using the straps provided and covered with a bed sheet in the usual way. The benefits of the Repose mattress become apparent when the product is in use. There's no need for noisy electrical pumps, meaning less disruption to your patient as the product is completely silent. It also means that there are no electrical or mechanical parts to go wrong. It's easy to clean. Simply use soap and water to clean the mattress and allow to dry, and then disinfect with a chlorine-based disinfectant. Liquid and solids can be cleaned up with soap and water without the use of specialised cleaning equipment or chemicals. The product is maintenance-free, but you will need to check periodically that it hasn't become deflated. To deflate, insert the open end of the valve cap into the device valve. Air can now escape. Using the pump as a roller, fold and roll up the mattress, making sure to start at the end furthest away from the valve. Air will be released as you roll up the product. Unroll and remove the pump. Refold and re-roll as tightly as possible, ensuring the width is narrower than the pump. Insert the device into the pump and refit the 2 tubes together. Rotate until the 2 tubes click closed. Once you've finished with the product, it should be returned to the equipment store, where it will be cleaned, disinfected and stored ready for the next patient who needs it. Repose products have a wealth of clinical evidence demonstrating their efficacy and have been used successfully by the NHS for over 15 years on almost 2 million patients. It's silent and unobtrusive, lightweight and easy to carry, durable and effective, perfect for acute and community settings. For pressure care, rely on Repose.